there are some other integrations we have in here. Now, I have an entire training on SendGrid. I will actually throw that up there in the corner for you guys if you're interested in it. But SendGrid is a way in which you can send out emails. Now, most CRMs will build out one single SendGrid account and they keep it for themselves. And then they put you on their SendGrid account. What happens is if they have some sort of malicious actor or someone who just doesn't have the best intentions, who starts sending out lots and lots and lots of emails that are spam, or maybe they're trying to steal someone's information. We call those phishing, but it's not like hook, line, and sinker phishing, right? Those guys can get their access shut down. And then you are left without the ability to send messages. So that's a big yikes. Yeah. So inside of SAM, I actually took this a different way. And the reason I have that training is it takes about 20 minutes to get a SendGrid account, get it set up. But what it does is it gives you the keys. Now you have control of your own SendGrid. And if you decide one day you wake up, SAM's not for you, you aren't going to lose all of the information on all the emails you sent because it's your account. And not only that, you can actually, inside of SAM, for having your own account, if you go into the templates, you can gain additional insights into any of those templates just because you had a SendGrid account. So you can click on this little icon right here, and it's going to show you some stats. And inside this one, you can see how many times this specific one was processed. If I click on it, I can see how it was processed, who it was delivered to. I can see who it was delivered. Then you can start tracking things like open rates, how many of them actually clicked through, and you can get some really good insights into how your business is functioning. Now, I actually built out a dashboards product for real estate agents before I started embarking on building out SAM. And I could probably talk for an hour and a half on the power of using dashboard insights to actually make your business more successful. But the SendGrid integration allows you to do that.